Illogical versus Alogical quiz. Instruction. Choose the best answer for each question. 1. What does illogical mean? A. Not based on reason. Doesn't make sense. B. Based on personal taste. C. A style of writing. D. A type of emotion. The answer is A. Not based on reason. Doesn't make sense. 2. What does alogical mean? A. Completely irrational. B. Outside logic. Not about logic at all. C. A scientific mistake. D. A false argument. The answer is B. Outside logic. Not about logic at all. 3. Which situation is illogical? A. I don't like this painting because it feels sad. B. If I eat ice cream, my phone will charge faster. C. Choosing a movie based on your mood. D. Preferring blue over red. The answer is B. If I eat ice cream, my phone will charge faster. 4. Which situation is alogical? A. The earth is flat because I said so. B. Tea tastes better than coffee. C. I can fly if I close my eyes hard enough. D. Water freezes at 100 degrees Celsius. The answer is B. Tea tastes better than coffee. It's about preference, not logic. 5. Which statement is illogical? A. If it rains, the ground gets wet. B. I failed the exam because my cat blinked twice. C. Winter is usually colder than summer. D. Exercise improves health. The answer is B. I failed the exam because my cat blinked twice. 6. Which statement is illogical? A. I think the song is beautiful. B. The sun rises because my watch says so. C. Cold air is heavier than hot air. D. Plants need sunlight to grow. The answer is A. I think this song is beautiful. Aesthetic judgments are not logical or illogical. They are alogical. 7. Which is the best keyword to remember illogical? A. Emotion. B. Preference. C. Doesn't make sense. D. Style. The answer is C. Doesn't make sense. 8. Which is the best keyword to remember alogical? A. Irrational. B. Not related to logic. C. Based on facts. D. Impossible. The answer is B. Not related to logic. 9. I trust this brand because I feel connected to it. This statement is A. Illogical. B. Alogical. C. Both. D. Neither. The answer is B. Alogical. It's emotional, not logical. 10. My car won't start because my neighbor wore red today. This is A. Logical. B. Illogical. C. Alogical. D. Emotional. The answer is B. Illogical. Great job! Up next, watch out for this next video for the Confusing Words series. Don't miss it out. See you in the next lesson.